I get into today's video, yes, if you don't know, if you're not following social media, we are doing the first ever triple giveaway. We actually launched these cars about a few months ago, but we have to get them out of the inventory because we need to get new stuff. The Mach 1 is live, the Z06 is live, and yes, the C8 is live. But 3 for 1, what does that mean? Every order placed, buy one poster, you enter for any one of these 3 cars you can win. The giveaway ends and we call 3 lucky winners live who entered once for the Mach 1, the Z06, and the C8. So go now to on3supply.com, grab some posters, and be entered to win.
Buggy, and I'll just turn around.
Yeah, we'll leave it. The buggy behind and I will walk in front of the car. So if you know the buggy behind.
I'll have the buggy behind you.
Yeah. Walk in front of the car. So if you know the buggy behind.
I'll have the buggy behind you.
Yeah.
See the lights right here? So go to the back.
It's gonna make it through our rough road. Absolutely.
Sound good.
That's what I was thinking. Trip that carpet off.
Color is nice, boy. There we go. 2024 Ford Mustang Dark Horse at the Michigan Assembly Plant. We built the Broncos, the Bronco Raptors, and also the Rangers. There we go.
What is up, fam? What is the message? Find you all well and in great spirits. Well. You know, I get super amped up and I get super excited about the 2024 Mustang. And I love the media stuff, don't get me wrong. Because Ford is over there and I appreciate them because of you inviting me to do some really cool stuff. But we have some insiders, yes, some subscribers and fans who were able to get us some stuff that we can share with you. It's a great thing. So much so, and you know, we don't get no one in trouble. It was approved. We have friends of the channel who actually build the new 2024 Mustang. And the Dark Horse 24 Mustang, we'll put his windows up here, was, yes, let me turn this exhaust on quiet for you, was actually at the plant and rolling through the assembly line so that some of the workers can see it, because what's happening right now is Ford's aware, as we all are, of what really happened and what's going on with the delays and the crap with the dealer markups and all the other junk with waiting for your car. That's not going to happen with the new 2024 S650 Mustang. The plan is that production is going to begin and start well and be ready to go well before the way it worked out with the 2020 Mustang GT500, well before what's going on with all the delays. S650 is going to come in hot, and it's going to be great, and it's going to be revealed amazingly. One of the inside information we have is, and I can't confirm this yet, but I was told through some of the sources we have, not Ford, but that it's going to start, the dark horse is going to start at $50,000 and go up to $60,000 fully optioned out. I think that's not bad considering what you're going to be getting. And I think that's going to be a very fair price for the option of a dark horse. So tell me what you think about that. Start at 50, max out at 60 for the dark horse Mustang. Now, what's even better about that is that, like I said, production is going to be starting, and they're not going to delay it. We don't know yet. The idea is we're a year away still from them actually hitting your driveways. You're getting the keys and going to dealer. We don't know officially when the order banks are going to open. Some dealers are taking deposits like dealers normally do, or just orders. The order banks are not open with the 2024 Mustang yet, but Ford is lining everything up for the 24 Mustang, so we will not experience delays the way we have seen with the Mustangs and other vehicles, quite frankly, currently. There's even reports that some of the blue ovals are on delay. So the 24 Mustang is going to come right, it's going to come heavy, it's going to come hot, and it's going to come to you. Because what's the worst is like, yo, order the spec and you wait another year for it to come. So that's not going to happen here with the S650 Mustang. They'll be coming. Ford is prepping. It's going to be right. That's what we got obviously the reveal a year before. Most likely what I think is going to happen, and this is me speculating, I could be wrong, but we'll see. I think you'll be able to start ordering them in, I'd say, the spring of 2023. Will it be sooner? That'd be great. But I think you could put your orders in officially through Ford in the spring of 23 to fall right in line with the Mustang birthday and celebrate all that is with that in the spring of 23, and then you could be taking your cars in the summer of 2023. But we're going to be, as we do, giving you all that we know, all the news, all the information, all the substantiated stuff, and the stuff that could be just rumors and whatnot. But we want to discuss. I'm so excited to bring the Mustang 2024 content here, and showcase it to you. Of course, we're going to drive it when the thing comes. And I want to also say, guys, thank you so much. We got the invite to actually drive the Raptor R, the V8 5.2 supercharged 700 plus horsepower Raptor R. We'll be driving it. Comment below what you want to see. I know, obviously, I don't know if there'll be a drag strip there. It'll probably be off-road, but I'll still bring a draggy, and I'll try to 0 to 60 for you guys, see what I can do, and present that to you. But let me know what you guys want me to showcase, and I'll do that. We're trying to get our own Raptor R, but dealer markups again are so hard, but we shall see. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. I have some insiders we'll showcase to you. Let me know what you guys want me to share or have questions, and I'll try to get my information best out to you. The gentleman in this video, he not only is a subscriber, he works for Ford. He got approval to post it. Check out his full video, link in the description. Comment below. I know the news is flowing, and it just keeps going back, and it's coming back and forth for you guys, for me to share with you for the S650 Mustang. So excited about it. We have some great news. We said, hey, the Mustang's gonna have a Megazilla. The Mustang's gonna be supercharged. The Mustang is going to be all new interior. It's going to have so many variations, so many new colors. It's a great time. I think you guys will be really excited. I know some people are a little discouraged about the potential locking of aftermarket tuners, but I was told to just take a deep breath. There's going to be options. There's going to be ways. So anyways, I appreciate the support. And guys, yes, if I want to explain that to you again, and I'll be frank with you, and let me be honest with you, our limited spot, I teamed up with Street Speed for the Corvettes and the Mach 1, and we thought, hey, we could really do something. We didn't, all right? We outkicked our coverage, and our loss is your gain. Sounds like a going out of furniture sale. But basically, every poster you purchase gets you not only entered for the C8, it gets you the Z06 and the Mach 1. So 3-for-1 deal. Go now before it sells out. On3supply.com. Link in the description, and you've entered to win. We can't ever do this again because we're not going to do this again. We're learning. We're going to go back to classic Mustangs, and that's what we're going to continue to do going forward. But there's a great opportunity for you to grab an entry and get entered to win for 3-for-1. So go to on3supply.com. Again, also, we do have the girls on the customer chat for you. If you have any questions, go on the site. We have Nicole, we have Brittany. They're there to happy to answer your questions. You can make fun of me as well. But on3supply.com. And guys, we're really excited because once we get this cars out the way, 3 winners, by the way, 3 new winners will have a Mach 1, C8, or Z06. We're still going to continue. We have the bike up. We're going to continue with the classic stuff. We also have something new to show you. So I digress. Check it out. Link in the description. Appreciate the support. Thanks so much for all the new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying this stuff with the 24 Mustang. We still have, listen, did I get you? Did you guys think Hulk was pink? That was actually made with a cool feature on Instagram. Follow me at Stangmode Official. But yes, we are having some fun. Raptor R is coming. So much going on the channel. Please like and subscribe because you know it never ends. Peace. And if you're still here, thank you. No, Hulk is not She-Hulk. She's not pink. But what do you guys think about these accents I got here from Bamarov? Put a link in the description if you guys like that kind of stuff you want to put in your Mustang. But I like it. I think it looks kind of cool. I was ready to be a little ricer, but reminds me of Tron. Looks good. All right, guys.